So if you have one of these, and it happens to be one of these, or maybe even one of these. So in the event you have a failure in your airbag system, that's bad news. But depending on the age of your vehicle, the model year, and how much mileage you have, potentially have some good news for you. In the event you do have an SX4 or a Vitara falling within these model years, Vitara is within 2006 to 2011, certain 2006 to 2011, and SX4 is within 2007 to 2011. Suzuki has an extended or special extension warranty available for the repair of this particular issue. So in the event, and only in the event, you have this diagnostic trouble code and you meet these model year restrictions, and it's within a period of 10 years and a 200,000 kilometer ceiling, Suzuki will pick up the repair for this. So I only showed you in my car. I have this configuration of dashboard and then the additional passenger annunciator. But some of the presentations are a wee bit different depending on what model year you have. The dashes are a wee bit different. That's the later generation dash. And of course on the Vitara, the presentation is quite different from the SX4, but basically the same failure enunciations. So only that code. So there is a notation here. If it's anything else, it will not be covered. But if you do have, as I said, that particular DTC, the airbag light on accompanied by the passenger airbag off, and especially if it's coming and going. In my cars it's kind of intermittent. Almost certainly the issue is going to be that particular DTC. If you can get your scan tool out, confirm it, and I'll show you how to do that momentarily. You'll be in the know when you take the car to the dealership. Nissan handles Suzuki now. Of course, there is no more Suzuki Canada or North America for that matter. If I'm not mistaken, I don't know about Mexico, but I think they're definitely finished in the States and Canada. But maybe this particular recall will help somebody out. Maybe you've been living with it for a long time, unbeknownst to you, this actually exists. Transport Canada has mandated this. Here's the Transport Canada recall. I don't think Suzuki was being a good guy. Transport Canada probably bent their arm on the issue. Here's the Transport Canada recall number. Okay, I hope that helps somebody. Just show you the code. So if your scan tool is capable of actually retrieving airbag or secondary restraint system codes, you're in luck. This is pertinent to the recall. That's why I'm actually going through the motions here. Airbag, and I want to retrieve the DTC here, the one that's actually generated the light in the first place. Read codes. So I hope you can see that in this lighting. There's the code there. B as in Bravo 1312. OCM, sensor map performance.